Hello students, hello world, Dr. K here. I want to show you a very beautiful puzzle. Let's jump right into it. You know how much I love puzzles. This puzzle is called Aquarium. It's a grid puzzle. You are filling water in containers in special areas, and you are following the physics, the laws of physics of how water fills into a container. The numbers in bold on the side, the marginal numbers for the rows and the columns, that tells you how many squares are filled with water in that row or in that column. So let's see, what can we see here? So let's say, for example, number 5, the row number 4. Let's look at the fourth row, just as an example. There's a bold number 5 right next to it, which means there are 5 bodies of water. 5 squares of water. So we think this is water, water, water right here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And now we don't know whether the fifth square in that row is going to be in column A or column F. But this tells us something, that since the top of that space, of that area has water, that means that the bottom right here has water as well. Okay, so let's see, what else can we do? Um, So let's look at row number 6. This is a puzzle, so it's humbling. This is a puzzle. Row number 6. There are 5. So where else can be water? So these two have to have water. One. So now we have 4. There's one more water. We don't know. Oh, this is interesting. Column F. Look at column F right here, all the way on the furthest right. You see how it has four bodies of 4 squares of water? Well, that means that they can't all be filled here in 1 and 2, in rows 1 and 2. So they've got to be 1, 2, and then the other 2 are either up here or here, but these 2 are definitely water. So we know that there's no water here. We know that, and also because F5 has water, that means that there's water right here as well. Okay, so far so good. And all of them, pretty much we can say there's no water in that space, which means there's got to be water here in A1. And because it's a body of water and you're filling water, and imagine how water fills into a cup or any container, that means there's got to be water here. Let's keep going. I think there's water here. There's no water here. There's water here. And where else? There's 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, what about now? Let's count. I think that solves it. Let's go ahead for just for sake of completion. I'm going to also put an X where it doesn't, where there's no water. And what's nice about it is that this is forgiving. So for example, if you make a mistake, you see it highlights in red. And these are all in the settings. You can change that. But I believe that solves it. Let's click done, and it says, congratulations, you solved the puzzle, 4 minutes. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter how fast you do it. It's just great to use logic, coordinates, math, and keep your brain busy, especially in the summer where there's no school. I am proud of you. This is great. I really appreciate this. Keep doing puzzles. Beautiful, beautiful website. I'll share the link in the description. I love these grid puzzles. Thank you.